Today, I will talk about a very important topic that is consistency. Yes, everyone knows that what is the meaning of consistency. But the main problem is they are not consistent. And that's our the main problem. They are not giving effort. Every time they will say, bro, I really want to do last year 10, but I'm not consistent that much. But are you crazy? Are you crazy? Yeah, are you crazy? If you are saying this water is really important for me, then why you are not taking? For example, take it example and it is gold. Huh? It is gold. And you say, bro, I'm not consistent. How I can take this? Are you crazy? There is no need to consistency. Same. When you study, so there is no need to be consistent. Remember, past never comes, future will be coming. And you don't know about future and your past had been past, they forget it, just forget it and just focus on now. Focus on today. And if you are studying, just say I'm not consistent. I'm just studying now. Maybe tomorrow I will die. I don't know. Just I want to study hard so that I will be crazy guy. Yo. So, understood? Understood. Yeah. It is as simple as that. If you want to be consistent, you have to prioritize your things. Yes. You have to prioritize your work in some steps. Like I will wake up at this time, I will eat food at this time, and just make it. And you will be consistent, you will be disciplined. And remember, consistency is really important in every field. Yeah, every field. I have a story. Raman is really bad at study. So he want to improve his study skills. And what is meaning of study skills? It's math, science, social science, English, or Hindi, or more. So he want to improve his subjects. So he is not consistent. Now he think I want to improve because now I'm in 10th class or 12th class. Just listen. I'm in 10th class and I want to top in state. And anyhow, I just want that. I'm really, I will be happy with 90%, 99%. And I will do so hard work at my skills. If I don't know how to solve physics question, I practice 10,000 times. I don't care about anything. Now I have no responsibility. My parents feed me food and I don't doing anything. I am crazy. I'm crazy. Why am I doing that? I'm not crazy. Maybe I'm lazy. I'm lazy. That's why I'm not studying. I'm just playing Free Fire, and doing nothing. But that's a really bad thing. If you already know that what is the problem, exact problem, and you're not arrowing or shooting on that problem, then how can you escape from that problem? And that's the main problem. First, solve this problem and you will see the big change in your life. Yeah, just try, give a try. and you will see immense change, drastically change, and you see the dramatically change. Yes, it will. Yes, and you become impeccable. Impeccable. Just put yourself in an uncomfortable zone where you are really frustrating. What the heck, bro? What I do? What I do? I don't know. What should I do? I have to study fast. That I have lots of syllabus. Yes, the Raman says that. So now he's really so intelligent and tougher as well. He scored, yes, not 99 but 98. So for that, he's really feel so bad about it. But he get it. And this story is real. So don't take as a story. Because every story teach you lots of things. So say you can also do. Just try where you want to build consistency. In food making, graphic designing, video editing, chef, tailoring, plumber, where. Just find your where you want to build consistency. And then you understand, oh, I want to build consistency in this area or that area. So you can build consistency as simple as that. Don't make it complicated.